The United Federation of Bank Unions, which claims membership of nearly 10 lakh banks across India, held an all-India bank strike on Tuesday after no solutions were provided to their demands for stringent criminal action against bad loans and their willful defaulters, recruitment in all cadres, and accountability from top executives. They have also requested the government to provide banks with cost reimbursement for losses incurred during the demonetization period. The functioning of private lenders like ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank and Kotak Mahindra Bank is expectedly working normal except delay in check clearances. As many as 27 public sector banks control 75% of the total business in the country.
One day all India strike call दिल्लो आहा सगळे युनियनांनी आणि तो मेन डिमांड म्हणल्यार आतां डिमॉनिटायझेशन जे गव्हर्मेंटान केल्लें आहा न्हू ताका लागून खूब त्रास जाल्ले आहा लोकांक आनी बँकेकूय कित्याक बँकेन जाय तितले पयशे येना आनी लोक बँकेच्या रागार आसता कित्याक पयशे ना म्हणून. सो आमची मागणी आहा कितें गव्हर्मेंटान जे कितें डिमॉनिटायझेशन केल्लें न्हू रिस्ट्रिक्शन्स घातलेले न्हू ते सगळे रिस्ट्रिक्शन्स फाटी घेवपाक जाय आनी जितले पयशे बँकेक जाय ते बँकेक दिवपाक जाय. ATMs फुली फंक्शनल जावपाक जाय आनी लोकांचे पयशे लोकांक विथड्रॉ करपाक जाय मेळपाक जाय. जे कोणी लोन घेतलेले आहा बँके कडेन लॅक्स ऑफ क्रोर्स ऑफ रुपीज लोन्स घेवन हे व्हडले व्हडले बिझनेसमॅन आहा ते फारीक करिना. गव्हर्मेंट तांचेर कांयच कारवाय करिना. इतले लाखांनी कोटी रुपया लोन घेवन पे करिना तांचेर कांय एक्शन घेना. सो आमची मागणी आहा कितें जे कोण मुद्दम लोन फारीक करना तांचेर क्रिमिनल एक्शन घेवचे आनी जे कोण 1 कोटी वयर लोन घेता आनी फारीक करिना मुद्दम फारीक करना तांचें नांव पब्लीश जावपाक जाय. हे गरीब लोकांचेर एक्शन घेवंक उपकारना. आतां गरीब लोकांचे फाटल्यान लागलेले आहा कित्याक बँके कडेन पयशे ना लोन दिवपाक कित्याक व्हडले व्हडले बिझनेसमॅनान पयशे भरूंक ना म्हणून. सो आमची इमिजिएटली सगळे युनियन स्ट्रायकार वयता आनी आमी सांगता जे प्रॉब्लम जाल्ले आहा बिकॉज ऑफ डिमॉनिटायझेशन ते सॉल्व करपाक जाय.
India already affected the demonetization and a lot of people having a problem still now. See the bank every now and then having a strike. I don't know for what reason they are having. Actually they are having 2 holidays, that is second Saturday and the fourth Saturday, and still the common people are affecting too much in this banking system. I feel that government should restrict these people also not to have strike, and we are losing crores of money for this strike in one day. To lift up the common people up and all their needs, whatever they want. Today is like today's Tuesday. What about the other rest of the week? People are depending on banks today.
With video journalist Abhijit Jadhav for ACN.